Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your bonus love reading. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for Leos for this read. In this reading, what we're going to do is we're going to ask a question. Whoever it is that you are, in no communication with, and you really want to know if this person is happy without you or not, then this reading is definitely going to get you the answer to that. It can be an ex, it can be a current person that you are in no communication with currently right now because of whatever, like a fight, argument, whatever it is. But yes, you are not talking to each other, but you really want to know if this person is happy about the situation between the two of you or not, then this reading is definitely going to get you the answer to that. So I will also add charms and oracle cards in this reading, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Leos, let's get into the read and let's find out whoever it is that you're dealing with and you want to know if this person is happy without you. Yes or no? Let's find out. Two of Pentacles, they are conflicted. They are busy. They are indecisive. This person could have a lot right now on their plate, so they might be juggling. Like, what shall I focus more? What shall I prioritize more? Or stuff like that. Let's take more cards here. The Lovers. This person could be dealing with another person as well, by the way. Maybe they have. Hold on. Let's take more cards. No, it's not about two people. It's more about their independence and this connection that they had with you. It's more like, this person is indecisive. Shall they stay single for now, or shall they let you or let a person in their life right now in as a something to do with their emotional fulfillment as well. This person right now has, like I said earlier, they have a lot on their plate right now, so maybe they are indecisive. They have enough time for another person in their life or not. So they are, whoever it is that you are asking about, they are too focused right now on themselves. They are very self-centered right now, whoever it is that you are dealing with. And this person doesn't know if they have a space in their life right now which they can give to love or not, because they don't have enough time. They do have love to offer, they do have feelings, they do have emotions, be that for you or otherwise as well. They really want somebody in their love life, but having said that, their prime focus, they are, is themselves, and they are very self-centered. You can call them selfish if you want to, because that's exactly what it is like. Let's take more cards here. Two of Swords, but they are not happy about the situation. They would love to have a balance, but at the same time they cannot put themselves out of their priority list right now. So they want love as well. They want, so maybe what they want is you to understand that they are busy and stay with them whenever they want. So basically this person is thinking of them and their happiness, and that's it. So basically right now they are being selfish, self-centered, and they want you or somebody who would understand them and their need for love, sex, physical connection right now, because they don't have much to offer to the other person, by the way. They cannot offer you much. So that's what it is. They really want somebody, they really want something, but at the same time they don't think that they have enough to offer. Then we do have Three of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. They at times feel like, okay, fine, I will try to put some effort to make room for another person in my life, to fit them in my daily routine. Then they fail. This person has a lot. You cannot even imagine how much this person has. Maybe they are somebody who's in government job or something. Maybe they are, in civil kind of a job where they have a lot of responsibilities on their shoulder, so they cannot spare much time even for themselves. Then when it comes to you, maybe it's a completely different story. So feels like, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they are really not happy. They are struggling, they are juggling to find what they can do in this situation. So this person is trying to understand what can be done in this current situation. They are trying to find a solution. is what I'm picking up. Because without you, they feel lonely. With you, they feel ignored. With you, they feel like maybe they feel ignored or you feel ignored if the energies are completely reversed for some of you. Now, it's very important in this situation to find a path forward where you both could stay or bring balance into each other's life, which is missing right now in the connection. So this person is not happy, neither they are suffering. It's just that they are struggling with making a decision around their love life. And right direct, we do have the 10 of cups. They would love to have a life which brings them emotional fulfillment too, but right now it seems like they're going on and off, back and forth with you. So it seems like this connection is not heading forward right now, but they really want this connection to go smooth and slowly but surely they want it to move to the right direction where you both bring each other happiness, love, abundance. But right now situation seems kind of unfavorable for the connection. So if you could understand this person and their needs for space from time to time, or if they can understand your need for space time to time, then I think this connection can go smooth. Secret union, honor and treasure your relationship, for it is really sacred. Now I feel like this connection that you have with this person is really sacred, but at the same time there is the need to understand each other's need for space and need for more time as well. So you need to bring some balance in there, because there is like lack of communication, which causes a lot of stress in this connection. Forgiveness, nothing is gained by holding on to past disappointments. It's time for you guys to forgive each other for what happened in the past and try to find a solution to the issues that you are having in your love life right now with each other. That will help you resolve the issue, because I don't think that this connection is going to end. It seems like you will continue going in the circles with each other, where you are like going on and off. Sometimes this person gives you time, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you give them time, sometimes you also don't. Now that has to end to have the stability in this connection. So you need to work towards it. Let's take more cards. Expect powerful changes in this connection. Don't let pride get in your way. Now it's very important for you to don't let pride get in your way. It can be a message or for you or for a cross watcher as well. But yes, I do see powerful changes coming up for the two of you in this connection. And I do see things, you might find a solution to this issue. So you could have a beautiful life ahead together with the stability. Let's take two cards. Faith. Have faith in the current situation and stay positive. Hope that whoever needs to make a decision to bring the balance back in this situation, hope they will. And the connection is going to get restored. Rejection. In the past you might have gotten rejected by a person, or you might have rejected them in the past, about taking this connection to the next level because of the same issues that you used to have. But now seems like situation might change and you can expect some powerful change in this connection. Let's see the charms now. Let's see what the charms has to add. I don't think that they're going to reject you this time around. So we do have 3 alphabets: C, T, and V. These could be your name initial of the person that you're dealing with. You guys are hooked to each other. Now the connection seems to be going slow, and I feel like even if you decide to bring the balance in the connection, make sure you don't get impatient, because the connection is going to go slow, but it will move in the right direction. So try not to pick up any argument, fight, and try to take it slow while you wait, while you are on the waiting side of something that you desire to come. Make sure you don't go back to the negative thoughts that you used to have around this person and this situation. Try to keep the fun alive in the connection, because that too is going to help you a lot to take this connection to the next level. Don't pick up arguments, fight for unnecessary reasons. Try to understand each other and understand each other's need to have space and need to have time together as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.